The man just did a poo over there. And did he come out of that one? Up next one. Came out of that one. And he'd been for a poo. So that's something that happened.
Destroy.
Traffic! What are you doing? Doing a drift day today, and I haven't done one for like two years. It'll be the first time testing out the 2.5 NC with the ITVs and the prototype angle kit, and then also just bought my red Mark 1 turbo car just in case something doesn't work. And also it'd be nice to use it, and then it should be good to do like a back-to-back comparison between the two, between like the Mark 1 and Mark 3 turbo ITVs and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, just a Santa pod. It's like not the most glamorous track, you know, it's just like a big flat pad, but that's ideal really for me being bad at driving and having driven for a while and in testing out a new car. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, I suppose. I didn't check the tyre pressures. I didn't put my GoPro on or anything. I kind of forgot to do all that, but no, it works really well. So, and the handbrake locks really well in drift. Like when I was trying to test it driving along forwards, it was just like, no, it's not working. So I didn't know if it's like the pads are a bit shit or, you know, calipers are a bit seized or binding or something. I spec'd up an ABS delete kit with hydro lines and brake bias thing built in as well. So I didn't know if it's just something to do with that was screwed up, but no, it works really well. I was just going to do some more like big donuts just to see like how much angle's actually in the kit and sort of see where it stops. But a couple of times then I think I kind of thought I'd overcooked it and pretty much came to a stop and then just dumped the clutch and kind of like crab walked out of it. So it feels like it's got a lot of angle and yeah, keep trying it out I suppose. The fully charged GoPro battery, which I've just put in about 10 minutes ago, is dead. Weird that, isn't it? It doesn't happen very often, GoPro batteries. Works really well.
It looks good, it's alright.
It goes really well, yeah. I just need, I think I need to lower the tyre pressures a little bit. It's really grippy on the back because they're quite grippy tyres anyway, but they're like 30 psi. And I do have, it's like 200, I think it was 220 horsepower, I think. I need to go back to get a little bit more out of it, but yeah, I think I put them up to like 35, 40-ish. It's nice grippy, but yeah, when it just kind of, when I drop the revs a bit too much, it's like, ugh. But other than that, magnifique. I can't remember how to make this work. There's instructions.
A few moments later.
On. Let's try that.
Yeah.
Make a
hours later.
That only took 3 minutes and 38 seconds.
Driving with that man, and I shouldn't have been, because that's exactly what I did the last 2 times I crashed. I did like 2 successful laps. I was like, yeah, let's go, and then crashed. Most times, usually following Tom Van Beek, who'd be driving like 20 events all year, and I'd be like, I'll just do what he does. And then he goes into the flat out to the corner, it's just a weird wiggle, and I go, ah! Just steer off into the barrier. So yeah, it's pretty good. Are they going to fit? I said to you, didn't I? It's like really floaty at the back.
Yeah.
Remember, it feels grippy as hell now. Because we sorted the tail out, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because I messed around with the suspension a lot, like raising and lowering it and stuff, after I got it aligned, which is stupid. And so yeah, I'll go get it aligned and then adjust the ride height. And yeah, so it had like quite a lot of toe in, I think, at the front, and then there was a little bit of toe out of the rear. So like with the welder diffing in the rain, it was just twitching. And I had 40 psi in one tyre, 30 in the other, so it's just sketchy. So sorted all out. I did a string alignment, zeroed the toe front to rear, and yeah, and it seems mint now, like really nice. As you've probably seen in the video, it seems to work fine. So hopefully keeps just working and working and working, and it's a successful day. But I'm going to jump in the red car and have a rip in that now. Wheel nut to loose.
Oh.
He was responsible for them. disappointing.
I remember having this very conversation this morning.
Yeah. I guess we're going back to the pits and put the wheel back on.
Oops. Are they attached now?
The fuel pump wire came off earlier because I was wiring a switch in, and I just kind of forgot to finish wiring in basically. I poked it into the terminal to like check the circuit worked and everything, and then me being me was like, cool, started just doing something else and forgot all about it. And then on the way here, the fuel pump like died on the way here on the dual carriageway at like 7:30 in the morning, pitch black with loads of lorries and stuff going around him. And I put these Lexus lights in as well, and they're terribly dim, so he nearly got killed. That would have been bad. It would have been a shame to lose the car. I think it's okay. Have a look at that job I've done on that. I think that's alright. Zip tie the.
What you've done is add more zip ties than what I did.
Yeah, so it's more secure.
You're meant to be an engineer.
Not an electrical engineer.
I technically am, but...
Well, yeah, there we go. See? Videos. I thought it was on photo mode then. The classic GoPro move. That's a sick run that you look at, it's just a photo of you going. No, all in all it was really good. I don't really know what I was expecting, but brought that car just to, in case this one died or something went wrong with it, or something we not accounted for, but works really good. And then I realised, yeah, let's not crash that. But yeah, those Riken tyres are really grippy. These ones are way slippier, but I only managed to get like one more session on it before someone did a whoopsie and I had to wait for ages to do that. And then it went out, and yeah, the wheel is, front right wheel's catching a bit, so I need a bit of space, so I see if I can get more clearance on the arms, but they're quite half set like I said earlier, so yeah, all in all, great success I think. I might have dropped a bit of oil at my diff, but it's a bit whiny, but it's not really been very eventful.
Not really.
No. I mean, I'm glad it's not been eventful, because that means it's been a success, I suppose, but yeah. See that?
That's good.
Parkour!
Parkour!
I know. So it doesn't fall off somewhere when I'm driving. That's not being convenient. Definitely not what happened to the other one.
Definitely not. That wouldn't happen.
Destroy.
Burnout! Oh, sick. She really wants me to do a burnout. Put your window up. Oh. Oops, sorry. Forgot about that. I was just having a good time. Just happy to be here.